So in this video we're going to take a look at some of the latest updates to KIP. One of the updates is the idea of zones. This allows you to trigger an event when certain criteria are met. And as you can see here on the house voltage, I've added 3 different zone types to this gauge. This zone is a normal zone. This zone is an alert zone. And this zone is a warning zone. So let's take a quick look at how you set zones up. First go to Configuration and then Settings. Now select the Zones tab. And then in here you can see the triggered events and what the warning state is going to be. Click Add to add new ones. In this example I'm going to search for house current. Select the data source and select the units used. Now enter the criteria that it needs to match in order to trigger the event. This can be a minus value if required, and select the type of warning that you want to see when it reaches this value. You can see straight away that an event has been triggered by adding this latest rule. I'm going to add a couple more, so I've got warnings and alarms. You can see here now that the house amps has fallen between -3 and -5. This will trigger an alert as seen in the bottom left of the display. You can acknowledge this alert, or you can just leave it to flash away like it is at the moment. Should your alert change to a warning, the icon will start to flash red. It's also possible to mute and acknowledge alarms. Here you can see the options. On this gauge I set an upper range as well to also trigger an alert, and as you can see here, as I've turned the charger back on, we've gone from negative to positive, but we've also maintained the alert. As the charge value starts to fall, you can see here that it's now entering the clear zone. The gauge returns to white text and the alert in the bottom left disappears. Zones can be added to other display items in KIP and will change the text colour. A data browser has also been added in this recent update, and that's available in the menu at the bottom right. A new colour option is also available for linear gauges called No Progress. This is particularly useful for things like a rudder indicator where you just want to see a line where their value actually is.